So today in Cook the Book, what I'm going to make for you is a very, very simple recipe. It's hummus. I checked on a website where this Arabic woman was teaching us pronunciations, and she said it is home and mus. And hummus basically means a chickpea. Very, very tasty. So it's not hummus, it's not Hamas, it's not Homas, it's Home-mus. It's with a double M. Now I hope I got it right. If I haven't, I'm sorry, but I'll get the recipe right. I am going to put just 2 garlic, juice of 1 whole lime, cumin powder. I'm going to put very little tahini paste. The better the quality of tahini, the better your flavor. So normally I used to put everything together, put into the mixie and just grind it. But I've been doing a little research about this, about the texture, about how to get the best taste for the hummus. And it said that in the mixer, you first start with just the garlic, the tahini paste, the little zira, and of course the lime. Mix that together, and once that is completely beaten is when you add your chickpeas in. So I'm trying that. Olive oil now, and again giving it a good whir. So into this I'm adding my chickpeas. I've not taken the skin off the chickpeas, it is as it is. All you have to do is whir it a bit extra. I'm putting the sun-dried tomatoes that have been sitting in olive oil. Into this I am going to be adding some dahi. About 1/4 cup of aquafaba. Very simple, it's called aquafaba, or it's the water that you get left over in your cooker after you boil your chickpeas. So I think it's not yet reached the right consistency, so I'm putting 1/4 cup more of aquafaba. So in all, we've added 1/2 cup of aquafaba. See, it's looking nice and fluffy. Oh, this is really nice and fluffy. A little cayenne pepper, extra virgin olive oil over it. Let me taste it because this is looking so pretty, I don't want to touch it. I'm just going to go with this. Very nice and got a lovely tanginess. Yum! Enjoy.